Are you an international student searching for admission in German public universities? Do you want to look for universities that you can apply to without no application processing fee, but you don't know how to go about it? Then this video is for you. In this video series, I will be sharing with you universities you can apply to without having to pay any application fees. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed and turn on your notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. So let's explore this together. So once you're on this site, the DAD website, which is an important website when you're searching for admission to Germany, you have to come on this web page and search for the courses. So I filtered for master's program and filter for English only. And for the field of study, I'm going to leave it empty. So, but if you already know your preference, then you can select this already. But I will leave this and hit search. And by the way, if you don't know how I navigate these systems or you want to know about this DAD website, I have already made a video where I explained everything about this DAD website and how to search. So I would link it up here so you can click on it and watch it later if you want to know more about it. But let's continue. So now that we have already searched, we can see that this is 1,240 results, but we want to streamline more to get to what we are looking for. So we come to this left-hand side and we search for courses that are tuition free because we are looking for courses that don't charge us any fees. So we select no fees and you can see it would stream it down to 763, but we still want to select courses that are offered in winter semester because we are looking to apply for winter semester courses. So we have to search for beginning so we can see summer semester, winter semester, but we are interested in winter semester. We select this and it brings us down to 742. Now we can see that these are the courses that are offered in winter, but we still want to streamline this down. So because this is still a lot, so I will search by city to search for the university that I really want to. So if you know the university already, you can search for it. So since I already know this, I'm going to search for Göttingen. So this is the university that I'm interested to see. And now we can already see we have just 19 results. And here we can see all the courses offered by these universities. For the sake of example, let's click on this Applied Data Science to see what is in this program. So when you click on that, you see that this is the University Göttingen, and this is Applied Data Science. And here you can go through the overview to see that this course is in English, to see that, okay, the details, you want to see the details if you're interested in this course. And the funding here is important to see that they say the tuition fee is none. And the requirements here, you can see it says application deadline is 1st of May for applicants for application for the winter semester and 1st of November. So for summer semester, but we're interested in the winter semester. So it's still open until the 1st of May. And it says there submit applications to this online portal of the university Göttingen. So when we click on this link, it will bring it directly to the university Göttingen. So this university accepts application on their portal without the UNIASSIST, and this is for free. So this is why I said this is going to be a series where I'll be showing you different universities that accept applications for free so that you can apply to them directly on their website without having to pay any fees. So once you're on this web portal of the university, you can read everything very well, and you see that the deadline is until the 1st of May. This is going to be opened in 1st of April. Okay, so this is also okay. I really wanted to show us this because if it's open on the 1st of April, I will want you to take opportunity to apply to it even on the 1st of April so that you stand a very good chance. So that is why you have to go through these application documents and make sure you have them already ready so that once it's 1st of April, you would come and click on this link. So now it says application document. So make sure you get already your graduation certificate, transcripts of record, and here it says in German or in English. So one tip I would like to give us here is make sure you follow everything, every single instruction given when making application. Please do not skip any of them. This is very important to Germans that you obey instructions. So please, if they say in PDF, PNG, and JPEG, please ensure that it's in any of these formats. And they say in one file, please let it be in one file. And then it says curriculum vitae, proof of English proficiency. So when I click on this, I want to also show us something. Here it says if you have, these are the proof of language proficiencies that they require. So if you have any of these, you can submit it. But here it says down here, if you have successfully completed degree program of at least 2 years with English as exclusive teaching language. So you don't need to show any of all these. So this means if you have done your bachelor's degrees in English, so this is already at least 2 years, so you don't need to show any of these TOEFL or any of these tests. So all you have to do is to get an official document from your university saying that your bachelor program was in English exclusively. Also, I think if you are living in an English speaking country, you can also get this proof that you have studied at least, or you have even worked. It says at least 2 years of studying or working in an English speaking country with 3 years prior to this application, within 3 years prior to this application. It's good for you if you're in English speaking environment or you studied in English, so you would not have to go through the hassle of getting any of this tests. So this was what I said. Let me point out this so that you have this at the back of your mind. So if you have got all this information ready, it will be good for you so that once the application portal is open, you apply immediately. Do well to read all this carefully. So it says no hard copies are required. So everything you have to do is online. You can do this yourself and you upload it. And when you scroll down, here it says online application. Please note that there are two different application forms, one for international applicants and one for applicants from the EU. So far you're international students, make sure you go through the right portal. And on this point, it says, because it says otherwise your application will be invalid. So basically here it says online application form for international students. The online application form will be available here at the beginning of April. So this is what I said. So when it's the beginning of April, you would only simply come here and you will see the button activated for you to click apply. So here you will then apply to it. I think when it's April, I'm going to still come over and make another video to walk us through step by step to click the button and show us this how it works. So let's go back. For the sake of demonstration again, I would like to select this master's degree cardiovascular science. So if you're interested in this course, so you click on this, and once you click on it, it will bring you to this portal, to this page where you can all see everything about the course, the requirement, the course details. So do well to go through it. And here it says application deadline is the 30th of April following the winter semester. It says submit application to this particular link. So once you click on this link, it brings you to this place. This is still the University Medicine Göttingen. So here, this is the portal for you to apply for this course. So it says application for the winter semester is open now. Please apply via our online portal. Please note application deadline is April 30th. So this is also already good. You can read through this to see all what it requires from you. And here it says no proof of English proficiency by an English test is required for applicants who are native English speakers who have resided in a reasonable period in an English-speaking country or who come from an Anglophone country. So this is already very good. So if you are from English-speaking country, you do not have to bother about this. All you have to do is to get your documents ready and you hit apply. Once you already like what you're seeing, then you click on apply here and it will direct you to this portal where you make the application. And here it says the current application period for winter semester 23-24 for this course is 1st of December and ends in May. And also for this course, cardiovascular science is from the 1st of December and ends in April 30th. So these two courses are still valid. And what you have to do, because you've not done registered with them before, you click on register to be able to register yourself. So once you click on registration, you go ahead and fill out your details like so, and you click on continue, and it says your registration was successful, and an email will be sent to you. So once I checked my email, I could already see that it sent me an email with my registration number, which is here, and your application is not yet complete. You still need additional information. To submit an update, please log in. So I'm going to click on this like so, and it brings me to this login page where I have to log in with the login that they gave me. So they already gave me this. I will copy this like so, and I put this here and then go back, and this is my password that is given to me. I copy this and then put the password and continue, and now it brings me here to see my application. So this is where I would fill out my details. So once you click on continue to application overview, it brings you here. So it says start application. So here I would then basically, so these are all the steps you have to take: address, undergraduate studies, your additional degree, studying abroad, previous master degree. So these are all the things that needs to be like the sequence it would be. So if you want to start already to register any of those, I just hit on start application, and it brings me to this point where I would add my address, everything. So remember, everything in red is important. So one tip I'd like to give us here is that there is tons of applications in. So please do well to fill everything that is necessary. All these fields, please do well to fill it correctly, because incomplete application would not be considered. So at any point you feel you want to take a break, you can already log out and you can come back again and log in and continue. So this is very important that you know how to fill this. Take your time, sit down and just go through it and fill in everything as correct as possible. If at any point you want to get to any of them, you can already click on them. It brings you to different ones. So for example, you feel, oh, I don't have some information here, you just have to go to the next one and fill anything that you feel you have. Anyone that is missing, please note it, and then so you just keep going until you fill everything. So language proficiency, you go through it and fill what is required of you. So graduation of an English study program. So please indicate if you have successfully graduated of an English study. This is where you would check yes if you have studied in English. So this is where you also check yes if you already have worked or studied, so that it will exempt you from the TOEFL. So this is what I want us to know. So once you have completed any one, you hit save and continue. So it says some of the required information is invalid or missing. Please fill out the highlighted one. So okay, so here for you to, I come from a country where English is also, this is also important. So you feel yes, so that it would automatically accept this for you. And when I hit save and continue, so it says okay. So it saved it, so we can move to the next tab. So this is pretty very easy. And once you're done, you hit on submit application. But here it says your application is incomplete. Please go through the section and fill the application, so with the data. So this is good. So it's only checked for me this language proficiency, which I completed. So the rest I have to complete. So this is very good that you know the positions you are before you finally hit submit. And according to the website, it says you should always check your spam to make sure that you don't miss any information out. So I think this is pretty much it. In the next video, on the next series, I would continue with other universities. So please do well to subscribe to the channel so that you can get this information when it's uploaded. Also, I would link up here the video about how to apply to German study visa if you don't already know about that, so that you can go through it and know the requirements. Please like and share this video so that others could benefit from it. So drop your comments and concerns, and I will try to respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your application and see you in the next one. Bye.